Today, I'm showing you how to check if your email has been hacked or leaked using a free tool, and it only takes a minute. Open your browser and head over to HaveIBeenPwned.com. That's spelled just like this. It's a trusted site created by cybersecurity expert Troy Hunt. Now, type your email address into this box, the one you use for online accounts, and click on the Owned button. If you see this green message, your email hasn't been found in any known data breaches. That's great. Let me try my other email address. If you see this red screen, your email was found in one or more data leaks. Scroll down to see which services were affected and what kind of data was exposed, like passwords, names, or phone numbers. If you've been owned, don't panic. Just change your passwords immediately, especially for those affected services. Also, enable two-factor authentication and consider using a password manager to stay safe. Click Notify Me to get alerts if your email appears in any future data breaches. It's free and totally worth it. And that's it. Super easy. Make sure to protect your accounts and stay alert. If it has helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips from IT Next. See you in the next video.